Now, I will talk about question 1. Adri and Awa have been married for 15 years. One day, Adri went out session for 3 days and left his credit card for Awa to use in emergency situations. Before he left, Adri also provided Awa Rm300 as an allowance. After Adri left the house, Awa used Adri's credit card to buy 4 pieces of clothing from a famous brand named Swan. After a month, Adri received a credit card bill attached. The bill was in his name. He refused to pay as the debt was not his but his wife. Question 1a. Describe an issue that arising on the scenario. For the answer, is Adri liable to pay for credit card debt incurred by his wife Awa? This answer indicates that either Adri will be responsible for paying the credit card debt that Awa incurs. This is because Adri left his credit card to be used in emergency and gave allowance to Awa. Question 1b. Explain the relevant provision under the Contract Act 1950. Answer is Section 114 Contract Act 1950. Definition of express and implied authority. An authority is said to be expressed when it is given by words, spoken or writing. An authority is said to be implied when it is to be inferred from the circumstance of the case and things spoken or written or the ordinary course of dealing may be accounted circumstance of the case. Based on the answer 1b indicates an agreement made without consideration is invalid unless it is stated in writing and registered under the law. However, there is an exception if the agreement is made out of natural love and affection between parties who are closely related to each other.
Question 1c. Propose a relevant case to support your answer. So, case is Miss Garvey v. Kitchen 1992. A wife was supplied with clothes of the value of E215 by a shopkeeper. The shopkeeper sued the husband. It was that the husband was giving the wife an allowance of E960 per year. Held that the husband was not liable to pay the dues of the shopkeeper.
Question 1d. Justify a good conclusion to the above issue. Eligible to pay for credit card debit incurred by his wife Awa according to Section 140 and case from Miss K. v. Chacha 1992.
Question 2. Jamal bought a car, Honda City, from Zainal and has been using it for several months. Jamal was later discovered that Zainal did not have the legal rights to the car. The car is the property of Shahrul. Jamal had to give the car to Shahrul and claim the money that has been paid. Zainal refused to hand the money to Jamal. A. Describe an issue that arising on the scenario. Can Jamal claims the money that has been paid to Zainal? B. Explain the relevant provision under the Sale of Goods Act 1957, Section 14A, Sale of Goods Act, an implied condition on the part of the seller that in the case of the sale, he has a right to sell the goods and that in the case of an agreement to sell, he will have a right to sell the goods at the time when the property is to pass.
Question 2c. Propose a relevant case to support the answer. So, the case that was applied in this situation is the case from Roland against Dewar. The help from this case is the defendant did not have the right to sell the good as he did not obtain good title from the thief. Ownership remained with the original owner. The defendant had 2 months' use of the car, which he did not have to pay for, and the claimant was not entitled to any compensation for the work carried out on the car. This case was applied as it has the same situation with the case in question 2.
Question 2. Question 2D. Complete a good conclusion to the above issue. Jamal can claim the money that has been paid to Zainal according to Section 14A and case from Roland v. Diwali.
Reference Question 1 Contract Act 1915 Act 136 December 2021 Number 7 and 9 Jalan DPB3 Taman Industri Bolton 16A 100 Batu Cave Selangor Darul Ehsan SS Graphic Printer M. Zendrian Berhad. For question 2, Sale of Good Act 1957 Act 318 to July 2021 Number 1 Jalan 18/1000 18 Desa Tun Razak Ceras 15,000 Kuala Lumpur Dolphin Press International Sdn Bhd. Plagiarism. Plagiarism Scam Report. Date December 04, 2023. Exclude URL. No. Unique content 100%. Plagiarism content 0%. Paraphrase plagiarism 0%.